Welcome to Astronomy Daily, the podcast that brings you the universe one story at a time.
I'm Avery.
And I'm Anna. Today, we've got a big show for you. We'll be looking at why Sierra Space's Dream Chaser is facing some tough challenges. And on a brighter note, the stunning first images from the new NASA-ISRO satellite.
We'll also be visiting an asteroid with some very human-centric new names and peering into the mysterious upper atmosphere of Saturn with the James Webb Telescope.
Plus, we have a few quick updates on Platinum on the Moon, how daylight savings time affects gravitational wave detectors, and two galaxies taking a very, very fast plunge. Let's get started.
First up, a story that sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie, but is hitting some real-world turbulence. The Sierra Space Dream Chaser, that beautiful space plane set to deliver cargo to the International Space Station, is starting to resemble a bit of a nightmare for its creators.
That's right. The program has been hit with significant delays and cost overruns. Initially planned for its first flight years ago, the vehicle is now in the final stages of pre-flight testing at NASA's Kennedy Space Center. However, reports indicate that testing has revealed several issues that need to be addressed before it's cleared for launch.
These aren't minor hiccups either. The challenges involve the vehicle's thermal protection system and flight software, both absolutely critical for a safe re-entry into Earth's atmosphere. It highlights just how difficult it is to develop a reusable lifting body spaceplane.
It certainly does. While Sierra Space remains confident they can resolve these issues, the timeline for its inaugural mission is now looking uncertain. The pressure is on as NASA is counting on Dream Chaser to be a key part of its commercial cargo fleet.
Absolutely. It's a reminder that spaceflight is incredibly challenging. Unlike capsules, which re-enter as a blunt body, a lifting body spaceplane like Dream Chaser is designed to land on a runway. This requires a much more complex aerodynamic design and control system to manage the heat and stress of re-entry. Getting that right is a monumental task.
From a challenging project to a triumphant one, the NISAR satellite, a joint mission between NASA and the Indian Space Research Organization, has sent back its first incredible radar images of Earth's surface.
And these images are spectacular. Nisar stands for NASA-ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar, and it's designed to give us an unprecedented view of our planet. Acting NASA Administrator Sean Duffy called the images a testament to what can be achieved with a shared vision of innovation and discovery.
One of the first images captured Mount Desert Island on the coast of Maine. The level of detail is astounding. You can see forests represented in green, water in dark shades, and hard surfaces like buildings in magenta. The system can resolve objects as small as 15 feet across, which is incredible from orbit.
What makes Nisar truly unique is that it's the first satellite to carry two different types of radar systems. L-band radar from NASA's Jet Propulsion Lab is great for seeing through vegetation to the ground. The S-band from ISRO is more sensitive to small vegetation, making it perfect for monitoring crops and grasslands.
This dual radar capability means Nisar will provide invaluable data for everything from disaster response to agricultural management. It will scan the entire Earth twice every 12 days using a massive 39-foot-wide antenna reflector, the largest NASA has ever sent to space.
Think about the implications. By detecting tiny changes in the Earth's surface, Nisar can help predict volcanic eruptions, monitor melting glaciers, and track the rise and fall of land due to groundwater extraction. This isn't just about making maps, it's about creating a dynamic, near real-time health report for our entire planet. For farmers, it can mean better crop management. For disaster response teams, it could provide critical data on earthquake deformation or landslide risks. It's a truly revolutionary Earth science tool. Next up, let's talk about giving things names. We humans love to name things, from our pets to our planets, and now even the lumps and bumps on distant asteroids. The geological features of asteroid 52446 Donald Johanson, visited by NASA's Lucy spacecraft, have now official names.
and the names are wonderfully interconnected. The asteroid itself is named after Donald Johanson, the paleoanthropologist who discovered the famous Lucy hominin skeleton. That fossil, in turn, inspired the name for the Lucy spacecraft mission. It's a beautiful tribute to the study of human origins.
So, what are the new names? Well, the asteroid has two distinct lobes. The smaller lobe is now officially called Afar, named after the Afar Triangle region in Ethiopia where the Lucy skeleton was found.
And the larger lobe has been named Olduvai after the famous river gorge in Tanzania, another incredibly significant site where many other hominin fossils have been discovered. It's a fantastic way to link our exploration of the solar system with the exploration of our own ancient past. Well, if it's a mystery you're after, the James Webb Telescope always delivers. Its latest observations of Saturn have revealed features in the planet's upper atmosphere that have astronomers completely baffled.
This is wild. About 680 miles above Saturn's clouds, within its glowing auroras, JWST spotted a chain of dark, bead-like patches. Think of them as dark spots on the northern lights, but on a planetary scale. Nothing like this has ever been seen before.
And it gets weirder. About 300 miles lower in the stratosphere, the telescope saw a huge, sprawling, star-shaped feature stretching out from the North Pole. But instead of being a perfect six-pointed star, like a snowflake, two of its arms are just missing. It's a lopsided, four-armed star pattern.
The lead astronomer on the study, Tom Stollard, said in a statement that these features were, and I quote, completely unexpected and at present are completely unexplained. It just goes to show how even a planet we think we know well, like Saturn, still holds profound surprises. All right, now it's time for a few quick stories from across the cosmos. First up, it seems the next platinum rush might not be on Earth.
That's right. A new paper suggests that vast reserves of precious metals delivered by asteroids could be hidden across the lunar surface. Researchers estimate that up to 6,500 impact craters on the moon may contain valuable platinum group metals like platinum, palladium, and rhodium. The SEAM study also suggests some 3,400 craters could contain water in the form of hydrated minerals.
From lunar riches to a very terrestrial problem affecting cosmic research. It turns out that our most sensitive gravitational wave detectors, like LIGO, are affected by us. A new study found that LIGO sensitivity changes based on human activity, showing patterns for weekdays versus weekends and day versus night.
The most fascinating part is that this daily cycle literally shifted when the observatories changed their clocks for daylight savings time. It's a stark reminder of how interconnected everything is and how even subtle human noise can impact our search for the faintest whispers from the universe.
And finally, talk about a cosmic commute. Astronomers have spotted two galaxies, NGC 4532 and DDO 137, falling into the massive Virgo cluster at a staggering 547 miles per second.
As they plunge through the hot gas surrounding the cluster, gas is being scoured from the galaxies, forming a colossal tail that's 1.6 million light-years long. Even more amazing, astronomers using the ASK-AP radio telescope in Australia discovered a bridge of gas, 185,000 light-years long, connecting the two galaxies as they fall together. It's a dramatic and beautiful display of galactic interaction.
And that's all the time we have for today on Astronomy Daily. From troubled spaceplanes to mysterious patterns on Saturn, the universe never fails to keep us on our toes.
We hope you'll join us again tomorrow for another journey through the latest in space and astronomy news. I'm Anna.
And I'm Avery. Thanks for listening. Clear skies, and keep looking up.